Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Discord to your PS4 or to your PlayStation account. So first, you want to head on to user settings. After heading to user settings, you want to go to your connections. And here, find PlayStation Network. Click that and then click on continue and continue. This step, you're gonna have to sign in to your PlayStation account. Make sure it's the same PlayStation account you use on your PS4. Then here you go. After signing in to your PlayStation account, this should pop up and you wanna click on accept. Okay. And there you go. You have now connected your PlayStation network to your Discord.